Hello there, I'm Faith P. Surla. I'm 17 years old and I live in Angeles City, Pampanga. I'm currently a first year college student at Holy Angel University taking up education, majoring in special education. My favorite color is yellow because it gives me positive vibes and it makes me enthusiastic and energetic and happy. And now I'm going to sing a song from The Little Mermaid entitled Part of That World. Look at that stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around, what do you think? Sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos of plenty. I've got woozets and onesets galore. Want a thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. Up her they walk, up her they run, up her they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha on land they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. I'm ready to know what the people know. Ask him my questions and get some answers. What's the fire and why does it? What's the word? Burn when it's my turn. Wouldn't I love to explore the shore up above, out of the sea. Wish I could be